and students, my dear students, what I am going to tell you in this video, I am going to tell you the definition and explanation of what. So let's have a round this one. And what is this? This is hybrid blended mode of teaching. So it is done by Nahid Musharraf, or you can say it's by Nahid Shahzad. So what is hybrid blended mode of teaching? So let's have a start. What is this? So this is online learning spectrum. And you can see this picture, and this picture is showing to you that is half is the book and half portion consists on the laptop. So laptop means the online learning and the other one is the physical learning. So how is it possible? So let's explain you. So what is this online learning spectrum? First one, you can see face-to-face learning system, that is the physical classroom, in which teacher and students are present in the class. Class sessions takes place 100% in a traditional bricks and mortar classroom. It's an example. And technology may be or may not be used to enhance learning. So it is completely dependent on the teacher, whether he or she considers technology in the class. For example, he or she wants to add up like a laptop, or she is using multimedia and whatever she wants to use it. But this is the completely physical classroom. So next, let's move on the next point. And what is this? Web-based, enhanced or blended. Class sessions take place in a traditional classroom. It is completely physical classroom, but technology is used to facilitate activities, deliver content or assess a student. For example, teacher is making PowerPoint presentation or showing different YouTube videos through multimedia and through laptop, or you can say LED or LCD TVs. So it will enhance proper learning, practical learning also with the physical classes. So this is web enhanced blended system. Third one is the hybrid model. Online and face-to-face instructions are integrated with a substantial amount of seat of time. We were on the hybrid model, and online and face-to-face instructions are integrated with a substantial amount of seat time in the traditional classroom, substituted with internet-based activities. So in this system, what we have to do, for example, if we are having 50 students in the class, so 25 students should be present in the class physically, and 50% should be taking class online. So this is the way of hybrid model. And the fourth one is the online system. Nearly all instructions, interaction and activities takes place online, may or may not include a face-to-face orientation or proctored exams. So in the last semester, we were having online system, but we are going to follow hybrid system. Actually, we are having 3 credit hours in the theory classes. So what they are going to do, they will split section A. For example, we have section A and there are 50 students in the class. So 25 students, these 50 students will be splitted into 2 groups. So group section A1 will take class for 1.5 hours physically in the classroom, and the other 25 students will also take class in the classroom, physically present in the university or in the classroom. So they will take class in the classroom for 1.5 hours. So in this way, for example, section A, total of section A is taking 1.5 hours class. So how much time is left? So there is 3 hours left, because students are taking classes in the 2 groups. So it means that teacher has to deliver lecture to the students for the group 1A, or you can say group A1, So for the first time and for the second time, he or she has to deliver the lecture again for the groups, you can say section A2. So, but before physical class, what will happen? Teacher will upload the lecture of 3 hours in the form of video, that is self-explanatory lecture. So he or she has to upload on the VLE software, where a student has to see that lecture and understand it and mark out or write down the questions related to that topic. And if he or she has any kind of query or questions related to the topic, so he or she will have to bring into the class physically, and he or she has to ask in the class. So in this way, the burden of the teacher will be reduced, otherwise they will have to take more credit hours. So this is the way of hybrid or blended mode of teaching, in which a student has to go for the self-learning system. So obviously, for example, if we are going to take the example of strength of material lectures, so what will happen? Teacher has to upload self-explanatory lecture or YouTube videos related to the topic on the VLE software, virtual learning environment, and a student has to read or understand the topic clearly over there. And if he or she has any queries related to the topic, he or she has to bring in the class physically in the coming class, and he or she has to ask in the class. So in this way, burden on the infrastructure and burden on the teachers will be reduced, and obviously the credit hours will be completed in this way, and students have or get the more chance of learning. And in this way, independent study will be developed in the student among the students. And for example, if we are going to take an example of a lab, so what will happen? For example, if the section is split into the 2 groups, so this week, one group will come over there and will take the test, will do the experiments in the lab, and in the next week the other group will come over there. So obviously the first group will be having off in the next week. So for this purpose, also teacher has to provide the demonstration in the form of video, in the form of PowerPoint presentations and material related to the lab activities on the VLE software, and the student has to study, self-study, and then come into the laboratory, and he or she has to perform the experiments himself or herself. So this is the very good way of teaching, and it will reduce physical interaction among the teachers and the students, and this is actually because of pandemic. So it will decrease the chances of contraction of COVID-19 disease. So it will be helpful activity. So hopefully you will get my point how hybrid system will work. So this is the hybrid or blended mode of system. It completely depends upon the university how they are going to adopt the hybrid or blended mode. Some universities are going to adopt it in other ways. So, but this is the actual definition or actual method of following the hybrid or blended mode of teaching. So this is very good activity, and hopefully you will learn it, that how do you study on the self basis. So you will get independent as well. So what is this? This is in this what is blended learning, and you can see this picture. There are lots of ways of blended mode of teaching in this picture. This is the picture. It is showing to you how blended mode of teaching is going to be followed, or hybrid mode of learning, and obviously you will get my point how you are going to follow the hybrid or blended mode of teaching. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell notification, and must follow my blog as well, that is www.nahishazad.blogspot.com. So it will be helpful for you, and you will get reduce education gap, and you will get what you will get more interaction with your teacher. If you have any query, write down in the comment box. You can ask me just below the video. So I am always available over here to answer you, and I will love to answer you. So your feedbacks and comments are the strength of my channel. So thank you so much. Bye bye.